Hey everyone, this is the instructional video for Heat Cure Reline using Flask and packing methods. This is a supplemental video to the already lengthy video of relines using jigs. This is for the Complete Denture II course at New York City College of Technology. I'm Professor Oscar Galvis. Let's get started. As we discussed in our previous reline videos, it all begins with a denture reline impression that we must receive, disinfect, and then bead box and pour. When using the flasking method, it's important to remove any impression material from the facial and buccal surfaces of the denture. If you don't, the acrylic will take shape of these bulbous areas and will be more difficult to finish. Once the models and dentures are ready, you can follow regular procedures for flasking and boiling out the dentures that need to be relined. Since there's no wax on these dentures, it only needs to be in the boil out for about 4 minutes. Once the boil out procedure has been complete, remove all the impression material and any adhesive that may have been used on the intaglio surface of the dentures. Remember, on maxillary reline dentures, you still need to fabricate the posterior palatal seal prior to the acrylic application and packing procedures. This will ensure proper retention after processing. In preparation for packing, follow the standard procedures you would if you were packing and processing any standard complete dentures. Once the models have been painted with tinfoil substitute, you can then mix your polymer and monomer. Remember that you are not packing the complete denture, it's only the intaglio surface, so you will need significantly less material in order to do so. Just like any large repair, you want to apply monomer to the prepared intaglio surface to ensure adequate bonding. Pack the acrylic inside the intaglio surface of the pre-existing dentures. Follow the standard procedures for packing and processing, including trial packs. Remember, you can use heat cure or cold cure acrylic using these methods. Once the dentures have been fully processed, they are then deflasked and finished as you would any complete denture.